I found the biggest and the cheapest shop, which is that they have so many type of animals: fish, lizard, the rats, bunnies, me.
So cute.
Hello. How are you? These are all the fish they sell in the live fish, and my friend that basically suggests us here just to have a look because they have it's a local market, not a touristic much. And you can see many fishes and many animals that of course is to be a pet at home. If you like I don't know, snakes and lizard pets friendly at home, it's good. So 3 is 1,000, 1 is 400 baht. The Nemos. Swadika. Shall we go this way? These are the baby animals, the fishes, huh? So cool, man. I always like to have this kind of things. I never had the chance for it. What was this location called?
JJ Mall.
JJ Mall. So it's right next to JJ Mall that if you want to visit this fish market. It's called Beautiful Fish Market. I suggest you to have a look, guys. Because it's not that touristic and it's unless if you live in Bangkok or you want to buy some present for any of your local friend who based in here, it's a nice place. Again, if you are animal friendly only. I think those lizard is there. I'm gonna have a look on them. I'm gonna show you the lizard now. What you call them? I forgot the name.
Squirrel.
Scroll.
Squirrel.
It's a pet, no?
Yeah.
Very nice, so cute.
Squirrel.
Bombe.
They jump.
Bombe.
Look at that one. He's making backflips there.
Oh my goodness. Swadika. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's jumping over there. Mamma mia. He's there alone inside there. Another interesting thing, which is the lizards. Guys, I'm really terrified from them. I'm really terrified from the lizards, to be honest. Okay, he wants to come to me. I'm glad that we have a cage in between us. Look at this, guys. Bombers! It's 60 baht. Wanna have $2 for one. It's $2. Each of them. Then you have bunnies. It's 150 per bunny. Let's say $5, $4 per bunnies. So cute, man. What are these things? There was that squirrel?
Just next to the one making backflips.
They notice or?
No, he's inside of it.
Mama.
You can see.
Yeah, because in this heat and they're outside. Yeah, what do you expect? Are you hungry, guys?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Yeah. You know they have high protein.